by a 3-year term ending in December 2027. Services on a volunteer basis. According to a release from the city, the Commission educates the community on civil and human rights, including planning programs and activities to eliminate unlawful discrimination. Makes recommendations to the City Council on what businesses and organizations should be funded by the city's Racial Equity and Social Justice Grant, and has the authority to recommend to the City Council any further expansions of the human rights ordinance. Applicants must be at least 18 and reside in Iowa City. Applications must be received by 5 p.m. Tuesday, July 30th, and can be accessed under the government tab. dannyshortwave.org. With Iowa City's News First, I'm Jim Hunter.
KCJJ Weather, brought to you by Water Supply.
I'm meteorologist Rodney Price. Increasing clouds in the overnight and some showers and storms moving in. Southeast winds gusty, will be in the mid-60s at sunrise. Showers and storms around for your Tuesday, and we do have the threat for some severe weather in the afternoon. High temperatures warming to the middle 80s. South winds gusty, we'll have a mostly cloudy sky. Showers and storms still around Tuesday night. That's the forecast for the mighty 1630. KCJJ, it's 69 at our studios.